Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 38 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Radio towers are used for transmitting a range of communication services including radio and television. The tower will either act as an antenna itself or support one or more antennas on its structure. On a similar concept, a radio station tower was built in two sections, A and B. The tower is supported by wires from a point O, as shown in the figure. The distance between the base of the tower and the point O is 6 meters. From the point O, the angle of elevation of the top of the section B is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of section A is 60 degree. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question 1. Find the length of the wire from the point O to the top of section B. That is, we have to find out the measurement of this OB. For that, let's consider the triangle POB. In POB, we have one angle and its adjacent side. We need the hypotenuse. So we will use the cos ratio for calculating this. In triangle POB, cos 30 degree is equal to OP upon OB. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 and OP is 6 meters by OB. OB is equal to 12 by root 3. Rationalizing this, we get 4 root 3 meters. Question 2. Find the length of the wire from the point O to the top of A. That is, we have to find out OA. For that, let us consider the bigger triangle APO. Here also we have one angle and its adjacent side is known and we require hypotenuse. So we will go with cos ratio. In triangle APO, cos 60 is equal to OP upon OA. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. OP is 6. OA is what we have to find out. OA is equal to 12 meters. Question 3, part A. Find the distance AB. AB is this length. To get AB, we have to calculate AP, that is a complete length, and from that we have to subtract the BP measurement. AB is equal to AP minus BP. Let's consider the triangle APO. Tan 60 is AP upon PO. Tan 60 is root 3. AP is what we have to find out and PO is 6. AP is 6 root 3 meters. To find BP, let's consider the small triangle BPO. Tan 30 is BP upon OP. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. BP is what we have to find out and OP is 6. BP is equal to 6 upon root 3. On rationalizing this, we get 2 root 3. AB is equal to 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3, which is 4 root 3 meters. The B part of the third question, find the area of triangle OPB. Area of triangle OPB is half times base into height, which is half times OP can be taken as base and BP as height. OP is 6 meters and BP is 2 root 3, which is equal to 6 root 3 meter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.